This is sequence 2, where we take a look at our picture and we prep it for Animate. And we have a lot of things here that we got to double check. When you're moving a picture from Photoshop to Animate, you're preparing it to be the best object it can possibly be for animation purposes. So right here you can see that these cars are not quite the same. I have to be careful if that 200 actually exceeds the blue lines. The whole purpose of the blue lines is to keep you within the maximum zone. So I do have to go down from 200 for this particular image. Check. So now I can see that each one is lining up a little bit better in size, and I'm putting them in the middle because our last step is to cut off the crop. This is the crop tool. When you select it, you're going to bring the bars in, and I like to have a little bit of white on the largest image, but we do have a lot of this that we don't need. We're going to pull the bars in on the side to the edges of the image and click done. Before I finalize these images for export, I'm going to save it. I'm going to turn off the background layer. It's really important that I can see these checks. And under File, Export, I'm going to be selecting Layers to File. Layers to Files. You're going to create a folder that is full of clear PNG files that have been cut down to be the right size when they go into Animate. Layers to Files. Click Browse. If you don't already have a folder, you want to make a folder for the pictures. So this is Car Burnout 1. Click Create. Click Open. Name the files according to what they are. Here in the file type, you're going to either select PNG8 or PNG24, depending on how many colors you have. Because I only have black and white, I'm selecting PNG8. Check the box for transparency. Clear. You want clear. Check the box for trim layers. You cut it for a reason. Click Run. Right there, you created your files, and at this point, you're done with Photoshop. Make sure you save your file before you go. And here in Animate, you're ready to open up a new file, which is a video file. Here I already have 1280 for 720 under my presets. Click Create. Under File, Import to Library. I'm going to go to that folder. So I have a folder called Sequence Image. Sequence Image. Here in Sequence Image, I have a folder called Burnout. And here in Burnout, I'm going to select Car 1, 2, and 3. Open. This is the end of Sequence 1.